In this video, I'll show you how to screen mirror iPhone to Roku. Step 1. Connect to same Wi-Fi. Ensure that both your iPhone and Roku device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Enable AirPlay on Roku. On your Roku, go to Settings and then Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Make sure AirPlay is turned on. Step 3. Open Control Center on iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner on iPhone X or newer, or swipe up from the bottom on iPhone 8 or older to open the control center. Step 4. Select Screen Mirroring. Tap the Screen Mirroring button, icon with two overlapping rectangles. Step 5. Choose your Roku device. From the list of devices, select your Roku device name. A code will appear on your TV screen. Step 6. Enter the code on iPhone. Enter the code shown on your Roku TV into your iPhone and tap OK. Your iPhone screen will now mirror to the Roku device. Step 7. Stop mirroring. To stop mirroring, either press the Home button on the Roku remote or open Control Center on the iPhone again. Tap Screen Mirroring and select Stop Mirroring. Now I have some tips for you. If Roku does not support AirPlay, consider third-party mirroring apps like Docast. Ensure your Roku and iPhone firmware versions are up to date for best performance. Keep devices close to your Wi-Fi router to maintain strong connection. And that is how you set up screen mirroring on your iPhone to your Roku device. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.